But...
What a beautiful day for a great adventure! I can't wait to see what you'll build today! Which way do you want to go? The Great Waterton Station's coming up. Right leads to the Boulder Cliff Great Waterton Station. Left leads to all my friends want to help too, so make sure you change. Forward leads to I love that. Lights out! The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Lights on. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to... Left leads to... McCall's Farm is coming up. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks! You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Great! Cool! Thanks for helping out! Choose a new toy! Let's go find that toy! That's perfect! Just slice or tap it to open. Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Super! We're always happy to help. Time to pick a new toy. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. This is your toy collection. Here you can see... Where to now? Left lead. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Excellent. Just spin the wheel to rotate the track. Excellent! That's perfect! Thanks for helping out! Choose a new toy! Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Right leads to random docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. Excellent! That's the way! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Choose a new toy! Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Where to now? Left leads to... Let's go to the big bridge. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. Oops, let's have another go. That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag excellent. Whoa! That was off the rails! Which way do you want to go? Right, we're near the pig farm. Let's go! Left leads to... We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? Good job! We're always happy to help. Super! Just slice or tap it to open. I love that. Lights out. Lights on. Which way do you want to go? Right? Forward leads to the Sodor. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. That was super cool! Lights out. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to... Left leads to... the water... That's the way! Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Excellent! Super awesome! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to the town. We're almost at the town square. Forward leads to... Lights on. Left leads to the Boulder Cliffs. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all? Well done! Whoa!